With dry air becoming a common issue in many homes, it's the perfect time to consider adding a reliable humidifier. These devices not only relieve dry skin and irritated eyes, but also ease congestion and reduce nighttime coughing, creating a more comfortable living environment. Humidifiers are also great for protecting wooden furniture, artwork, and electronics from the damaging effects of overly dry air. There are plenty of options on the market, from models designed for small spaces like nurseries to whole house options. Check out our top recommendations to find the perfect one for your home and enjoy the benefits of balanced humidity year-round. All product links are provided in the description. Number 8. Dyson Purifier Humidify Plus Cool Autoreact. For those with allergies or asthma, the Dyson Purifier Humidify Plus Cool Autoreact offers a powerful blend of air purification and humidity control. This device is certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America, AFA, making it a trusted choice for maintaining a healthier indoor environment. The True HEPA filter removes 99.97% of airborne particles, helping to alleviate common allergy symptoms. The Intelligent Climate Control is a standout feature, ensuring the room remains perfectly humidified without overdoing it, which is critical for asthma sufferers. Online users have noted improvements in skin, hair, and overall air quality after using this humidifier. With a coverage area of up to 440 square feet for humidifying and 867 square feet for purifying, it's suitable for medium to large rooms. Number 7. Vornado Evap40 Evaporative Humidifier. Suitable for large rooms or open spaces, the Evap40 Evaporative Humidifier offers a solid solution with its impressive moisture output and a huge 15-liter tank capacity. With a coverage area of up to 1,000 square feet, this model is perfect for open-plan homes or smaller apartments. One drawback is that the tanks can be a bit tricky to grasp when it's time to refill. Despite this, the controls are simple, featuring a continuous dial knob for fan speed and humidity level adjustments, allowing for precision when setting your desired comfort level. However, this humidifier tends to be on the noisier side, with gurgling sounds that might not be ideal for light sleepers. But its performance in terms of moisture output makes it a winner for large spaces. Number 6. LEVOIT OasisMist 450S Smart Humidifier. For a versatile humidification experience, the LEVOIT OasisMist 450S Smart Humidifier combines both warm and cool mist options. This allows you to switch depending on your needs or the time of year, offering flexibility when it comes to comfort. With a dual nozzle that lets you adjust the direction of the mist, this model provides excellent coverage for spaces up to 430 square feet. The 4.5-liter tank is top fill, making it easy to refill without removing any components, and it's lightweight enough to carry with its built-in handle. Operating this unit is straightforward, thanks to its responsive touch buttons and smart integration with the VE Sync app. You can control the humidifier or set schedules using your voice through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Number 5. Aprilaire 400 Whole House Humidifier. Designed for whole house humidification, the Aprilaire 400 can efficiently add moisture to the air throughout your entire home. Using evaporative technology, this humidifier distributes moisture via a fan that blows air through a wet filter, ensuring a steady and comfortable indoor environment. This model is particularly suited for larger homes, with a coverage capacity of up to 5,000 square feet. It also features a built-in sensor that automatically triggers the system when humidity drops, ensuring the ideal level is maintained without increasing energy consumption. While the Aprilaire 400 is highly effective, its upfront cost is steep, especially considering that professional installation is required. Number 4. Vicks 3-in-1 SleepyTime Humidifier. Ideal for families, the Vicks 3-in-1 SleepyTime Humidifier is perfect for kids' rooms or any space where ease of use is a priority. Parents will appreciate the adjustable nozzle, which directs the mist exactly where needed, and the lightweight design that makes it easy to move from room to room. In addition to its humidification abilities, it also doubles as a night light, providing extra comfort for children as they fall asleep. Its 2.3-liter tank provides enough moisture for up to 250 square feet, making it suitable for small bedrooms or nurseries. However, cleaning the unit can be a bit challenging due to its smaller bottom fill tank. This model also features an essential oil diffuser, allowing you to introduce soothing scents into your home. Number 3. Pure Guardian Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. For those who prioritize cleanliness in their humidifier, the Pure Guardian Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier stands out for its mold and mildew-resistant design. The wide 5-inch tank opening makes it easier to access and clean, addressing one of the common challenges with humidifiers. With a water capacity of 3.8 liters, this unit is powerful enough to humidify rooms as large as 420 square feet. Its compact size and quiet operation make it a discreet addition to any space. Number 2. Pure Enrichment MistAire Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. The Pure Enrichment MistAire Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is an excellent value pick, offering essential features at a budget-friendly price. Its sleek, compact design fits easily into small spaces, making it a great choice for bedrooms or offices. The 1.5-liter water tank can last up to 24 hours on the lowest setting, covering up to 245 square feet. One of its most notable features is its whisper-quiet operation, which makes it ideal for light sleepers or those who work from home. The auto shut-off function also adds a layer of convenience by turning off the device when the water level is low. However, the tank's small opening can make cleaning a bit more difficult. If you're looking to add multiple humidifiers to your home without breaking the bank, the MistAire is an excellent option that balances price with performance. Number 1. LEVOIT Classic 300S Smart Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. The LEVOIT Classic 300S Smart Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is an all-around top performer, making it the best choice for medium-sized rooms such as bedrooms or family spaces. This model is known for its quiet operation and smart home capabilities, allowing you to control it via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for added convenience. Its large 6-liter tank can provide up to 2 days of continuous moisture before needing a refill, and the intuitive auto mode ensures that your desired humidity level is consistently maintained. For those who enjoy aromatherapy, the included tray allows you to add essential oils to the mist. Although it performs exceptionally well, cleaning the base can be somewhat tricky due to the various crevices. Still, the LEVOIT Classic 300S is packed with features that make it a standout, from its top-fill design to its nightlight feature. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.